A tubular steel frame uses cast aluminum sections to complete the assembly while keeping things strong but light. The steering head comes set at 25.4 degrees with a 3.6-inch rake for rather agile handling characteristics, though I expect straight-line tracking will suffer a bit at highway speeds. I must confess that I laughed out loud with delight when I noticed the 40mm UST forks on the front end. Can you imagine? A scooter with inverted front forks larger than some street bikes and even cruisers? What's next? A liter engine. Both the front forks and the rear shock on the swing mount drivetrain unit give up 4.5 inches of travel for a plush ride. Cast aluminum rims mount the 15-inch hoops that run in a surprisingly fat format at 120/70 up front and 160/60 in back. I chuckled again when I got to the brakes. What we have here is a scooter that runs dual, 270mm front brake discs with a single 270mm disc in back and all-around twin-pot calipers with which to bind them. It's enough to make one wonder if there is a Deutsch equivalent to the word overkill. Thankfully, the factory installed its proprietary ABS system to help moderate all that braking power.